we are going to see the programming practices with simulators, emulators or open source. We are going to use the simulation using the MASM software, MASM, okay, MASM software, MASM, and this is the procedure. We have to copy this software from the CD and we have to paste it in any drive, okay, example E drive, and create a new notepad file, okay, and we have to type the program, or you can copy the program from anything we have typed, and we have to save it as star.asm, okay. Star means we can type give any name, okay. Behind the star we have to we can give any name, and now we have to open the command window. Command window can be opened by from start, and we have to click run, and there we have to type cmd, then we have to give ok, then type the drive name, okay, where we have saved the software, and we have to type cd, that is command, and followed by space, and we have to type the software folder name, okay, that is we have given E, okay. Then we have to edit the we have to type edit, okay, edit, and what is the file name that we have given, we have to type, and go to the file and select exit. Then we can view after exit button we can view the command window directly. Then type MASM, that is MASM space dot file, okay, dot, and then we have to give enter. Then after that the command window will run the program, and it will view the warnings and errors, okay. After that again we have to click link and the same name, and then we have to enter. After that we have to type debug and star dot execute, we have to execute the program, and after that to get the output we have to type G equal to 0, that is program starting address, to execute the program and enter. Then we can click any key in the keyboard, and we can view that program terminated normally. Then we have to enter E followed by space, and we have to enter the output location address, and we have to give enter. Then we can get the output, okay, we can get the output. So we can see the character which we have typed in the keyboard as the output there, okay. Then this is the sample programs that we have just pasted here, and we can now move on to the software. Paste the MASM software, okay, in any drive, and open the command window like this, and we have to click start, run, and type cmd, okay. Then we have to change the directory here, because we may it may represent the D drive, but MASM software is in E drive, therefore we can change the directory, that is by the name command, that is cd, okay. Cd we can edit the program, and here we can view our program here. Then we have to save and exit the program. After exit we can view the command window, and then we can type this MASM and file name, and after that we have to type link, okay, link file name, and if there is any stack error, that is we no need to worry about that. If there is a command error we have to change the command, and we have to debug the program by typing debug and file name. Then to execute the program we have to type G equal to 0. Then to see the output we have to view the output address, okay, we have to type the output address. Then we can get the output of the keyboard which we pressed, and for terminating a program we have to type Q, okay, it will quit our program. Thus we have successfully see the simulations which we can run by the open source simulator, that is MESM software. Thank you. We can see the how we have to run the MESM software. We have to type the notepad, type the program in a notepad, and we have to first we have to save this notepad program as in any file, okay, like this. And we have set the folder as TT, and inside 8086, and inside software, and insert MESM, okay, and we are giving the name as addition, and .asm. Okay, since it is assembly language program, we have to save it as assembly language program and save. And now this program is saved as addition, and now we can minimize this folder. And now we have to click the CMD file, and under the CMD file there will be some C drive data, and now we have to change the drive, that is D drive, okay, D drive. And D drive we have to enter CD, okay, that is we can view the open the TT folder. And now after CD we have to click type 8086 to open that folder, and here we have to type CD and software, okay, that is inside that software only we have paste that MESM software, MESM software, therefore CD MESM. And after this we have to open the program, so we have to type edit addition.asm, then the file will open. We have to click the file and save, okay, we have to click the file and save and exit. Then after exit, the command window will directly come to our window. Then we have to type MESM space addition.asm, okay, sorry, double dot semicolon, okay, double dot semicolon, then the program will run MESM addition double dot semicolon, and we have to link that program, link addition double dot semicolon. There will be no error detected, and no need to worry about the stack error. And after that we have to debug, execute the program, debug addition double dot exe, okay, debug addition dot exe. And the program is executing, and we have to start the program as go, okay, G equal to 1000. 1000 is the address of the program, and the program after executing you have to, if we want to view the program, you have to type U equal to 1000, then the program will open. And after that we have to check 1200 to see the output. Here a 68 output comes, and if you give enter means the program will again and again it will add the data, and it will give the values. Thank you.